First. Okay. So, okay. Better unbox it. Ay, ito. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go to the Okay, what's inside the box? Can you explain, girls?
So there's colored frosting.
Wait. Okay. One by one. Sprinkles.
The frosting. Only the plates.
Okay, careful. You might break the cookies. Okay, let's decorate.
Let's take off all the pieces in the plastic from the plastic. It's easy to break, guys. That's why we're being careful.
Assistant lang talaga ako. Extra lang ako dito sa vlog natin.
So, carefully.
Oh, careful. Because you might break the cookies.
2 pieces of
Oh, wait. I'll help you. Yes, I'll help you.
cookies.
What? Okay, here you go.
So, I think this is another. What's this? It's a lock. I think these are
The windows. The windows.
Or we can make it as a no. It's a window.
Look at the
Yeah.
tip of this to release.
To squeeze it.
Yeah, so we can squeeze it.
You can always
Yes,
put
I will
more
help you, of
candy
course.
on your desired design.
What can you say, Chichi? Yes, we should wash hands because
There's Corona.
virus.
So we're gonna stick them in the car, and these are the circles. We can stick them on any way we want.
Okay, so we need to use the white icing. So here's the white icing. Ay! Oh!
What happened? We can stick it with the white one, right?
It's hard to stick.
Okay, so.
Nasira yung window. Yeah, it's so hard.
It worked. A little work, but not that. I think I'm done.
Oh, I'll hold it.
This window is not And guys, the white icing is like glue. Ew, don't stick on me. So we're gonna make the
Okay.
Can anybody help me? I like some of the ice cream. Ice
Okay, what the next one? The other wall. Oh, ate, do the other remaining wall.
Oh no!
Okay, sige. Let's fix that later. I think it should be balanced first.
So can I have the white one? Yeah. It's the white frosting. No!
This is so hard. Wait. Yan, wait. Okay, the other side. Stick the other side first. Oh!
It's like a door.
A broken door.
Start
Oh, wait. It will collapse.
Let's try again and again.
That is just a practice.
Yeah, a weird practice. I think the one that's left over right here will be the
We're
one.
gonna start up again. Okay, let's start all over again.
Mommy got
Careful.
guys, you should be careful when you're making this. Good.
Okay. It's collapsing.
It's not okay. It's like a looking. Hi guys.
Dito, ate. Sa roof. Okay? Oh, wait. We'll remove our hands. 1, 2, 3, go! Ah!
Go design!
Okay, I'm gonna.
Kaya yung phone mo?
Ay, sa akin. Ay, or mo. Ang hirap. Okay, ate. Tell them what
It
happened.
broke. That's why we're just gonna design it by one.
Because it's really hard. We can't build a gingerbread house, so we will just design the cookie.
Like that's good that we tried it.
Yes, at least we tried. Oh, dito. Yes.
Look at the one I made.
Oh, okay. Oh.
I made like a picture frame, guys. Hope it doesn't fall down. Can I use the green one, please? Oh, you can use the white one. Can I use the red one? You can use the green one. Thank you.
It's a lot of colors, Amber. It's so Christmas.
Crazy. It's so Christmas crazy. Kinda crazy. And I like Christmas.
It looks like a pizza.
No,